Hello guys, welcome to this beginner's guide to Bybit. In under 8 minutes, I'll be showing you how to sign up, deposit, trade on Bybit P2P, how to trade on spot and derivatives market. I will also show you how to effectively use signals to maximize profit. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign up on Bybit. Go to bybitglobal.com or download Bybit app. Click on the sign up button, input your email and your password. Make sure you verify your account. For security reasons, enable two-factor authentication and you are good to go. Step 2. Deposit funds. On the home page, click on deposit and then select P2P trading. The P2P trading platform will pop up. At the top left of the P2P trading platform, you will see a buy and sell button. Kindly click on the buy and the list of traders that are willing to sell their USDT will pop up. Kindly note, each trader has a minimum order quantity that is attached to their order, and this minimum order quantity is shown as limit. This limit simply shows the lowest and the highest amount of USDT they are willing to sell. Once you find the trader that matches your order, all you have to do is click on buy, then input the amount of USDT you want to buy and click on buy. Once you click on buy, a page will pop up. Input the amount you want to buy, click on pay now, copy the seller's account details and make payment. Once you have made payment, kindly click on payment completed. After the payment has been confirmed by the seller releases your USDT and this USDT is credited directly to your funding account. Now, we are ready to start trading the spot and derivatives market. Let's go. To start trading on spot, all you have to do is click on assets, click on transfer, then transfer USDT from your funding account to your unified account. To buy your favorite coin, all you have to do is search for them, maybe Bitcoin, ETH, amongst any other cryptocurrency, and simply buy using the limit or market order. And whenever you want to sell, simply click on the sell button on that same pair and sell with either a limit or market order. Step 4. Trading derivatives. Before going further into this video, I need to explain some terminologies that are very important in the derivatives market, and both of them are long and short. When you are long in the market, it simply means that you are predicting that the price of an asset will go up. And when you are shorting the market, it simply means that you are predicting that the price of an asset will go down. Another word that comes up in the derivatives market is leverage. I want you to think of leverage as a multiplier for your margin. And margin simply means your actual money. Let's say you have $30 and you want to open a trade on BTC with a 10x leverage. What it simply means is that your $30 is now multiplied by 10x and you are entering that particular trade with a $300 size position. Another important terminology, or rather a tool that is very important in the derivatives world, is stop loss, or some people call it SL. A lot of traders use stop loss to prevent them from losing way more than they are willing to lose on a particular trade. For example, you take a trade with $10,000, but what you are willing to risk is 30% of this particular trade. This simply means that if this trade is running into loss, you are willing to just lose only $3,000. All you have to do is set a stop loss of 30% on this particular trade. And if this trade goes into loss and hits a 30% stop loss, automatically you'll be taken out of the trade and you will have $7,000 remaining. Lastly, I'll be telling you about trading signals. A trading signal is a recommendation or a trade setup that is being put out by traders to their community. Mostly, trading signals comprises of these 5 things: the name of the trading pair, entry, leverage, stop loss, and take profit. For people who don't have time to analyze the market or probably have busy schedules, the best thing to do is to follow trading signals from professional traders who have high win rates for you to be able to maximize profit in the market. So guys, I'll be showing you how to execute trading signals using Bybit. This signal shows short CRV. Search for CRV, USDT, and make sure you click on the one that has CRV USDT perpetual under it. That particular pair is for futures. So when you click on it, you click on short because that is what the signal showed us. Then place your entry. Now there are 2 types of orders that are very, very important as a trader. The first one is limit order and the second one is market order. Market order simply means that you are entering this particular trade at its current market price, and limit order simply means that you are setting an order and waiting for this order to peak. In this particular case, since the current market price of CRV is 0.5029, but our entry is 0.5106, we are going to use the limit order. So when you click on the limit order, you set the price just like this, 0.5106. Then the next thing we need to pay attention to is our leverage button. When you click on the leverage button, you can see that the leverage for CRV ranges from 1x to 50x, but this signal we were instructed to use 5x leverage. So you set 5x and you click on save. The next thing that's important is the percentage of the capital that you want to use for this particular trade. So as you can see, in this account I have $1,000 as the total capital, and I want to use just 20% of this account to take a trade, which is $200. That is where this bar is important. This percentage bar ranges from 0% to 100%. So I'm going to set it at 20% because I want to use 20% of my margin to take this trade. By the way, margin simply means capital. Having set it at 20%, the next thing I need to do now is to set my take profit and stop loss 0.4412 and my stop loss 5363. The stop loss and take profit button is very important. If the price of CRV drops down to 0.4412, this particular trade will close in profit. I'll be in 67% profit, which is an estimated profit of $135. But if this trade goes against me and the price of CRV goes to 0.5363, which is the stop loss price, remember I used $200 in this particular trade, so I'm going to lose $50 off it. Now, having set this trade like this, the next thing I need to then do is place my order by clicking on short. On clicking on short, you will see that this particular order will be shown in the order section, just as you can see on the screen. You can see the order price, which is at 0.5106. So it means that if CRV gets to this order price, it will trigger. Our stop loss is at 0.563 and our take profit is at 0.4412. So this is how to place a limit order, and you can apply the same pattern in a long or short trade. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something new. Bye bye.